Hello, hello guys, it's me Dave, and we are playing whatever game.
Kasi winid mo.
Nawala si Goliath. I cannot.
Meron kasi glitch sa Dead Race na kapag nag-pick up ka ng tao or kahit anong kapag nilabas mo na sila sa sakto.
Oh no, my house is on fire. Let's go.
Ayun ang nangyayari kay Goliath, my friend. Nag-glitch siya nung tinanggal.
Oh my god, ano nangyayari? Bakit yung fire natatago sa wall? Quality, gusto ko yan pero sana
Magkawin kayo dyan ng Goliath. Sinayang ng guild mas sa isang noob.
Baka masira pa yung sulog na bahay ko kahit sira na yan. Oh no. Bottle flip.
Ay! Wait, sama-sama. One hit! One hit! What the flip?
Wait, let me turn on
Si Bobrito yan.
Oh my god. I have a tear. What the flip? Did I see a slide? What the Let's go drive a car. Yeah, this is a true homemade car. This is a car, but this is a house, but made of the car version. Look, I'm driving it. Brum, brum, brum. This is a bus stop. Oh no. This slide is take it. We have a people inside. Do you see the guy inside? That's I don't know. Because I'm free of flinging. Oh my god, I see obstacles there. But I need oh no, this car. Oh. My friend! Did you know that other guy is actually my friend? Yeah, no, it's not actually my real friend, but that guy in the car last time is trying my boss and destroyed and got me out of the map.
Nice! Let's go! Grabe. Enemy skill 61. Tapos wait lang, nag-loading na yung stats ko. Money spent 1,250. Money earned 1,810. 73 enemy skill. Ang galing! Walang dead lang, di ba yung birds natin? Grabe yung legendary ng gawa sa legendary one. You know, oh my god. So yeah, di ko na pala nagtatapos sa
McDonald's.
Kung nag-enjoy mo yung subag,
Welcome to McDonald's. Bathroom. Susay ni. We are in McDonald's. I'm working in McDonald's. Wait, why is the McDonald's moving? Wait. Why is the McDonald's actually moving? Oh no. I need to get safe. Wait, I think I saw John. Hey John. I'm an alien. Whoa. This guy. You need to survive. So I need to go to the bathroom. Oh. Ouch. I cannot go. I didn't see anything. Ow. What? Is it just me or just playing myself? Is that Dora? And Skibidi Toilets? Skibidi Dop 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 is this? Skibidi Dop Dop Dip Dip. Skibidi Dop 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 is this? Skibidi Dobody Dip Dip. What the? I want you. This wasteland is dangerous. Ah!
Very popular. You know mga friend, oh my god, di ko talaga alam pinagagawa ko ngayon natin eh. Nung abit na ako, natutulog na ako eh. Kasi it's night time. Pero Roblox is alive. Oh my gosh. So yeah, bago nga para tayo mag-start, mag-comment kayo dyan ng Roblox.
POV.
Comment section.
Hello, wait. Welcome to McDonald's. Wait, there's no one saying. Wait. Oh no, I need to go to poop. And the McDonald's is moving. I actually need to go to the bathroom. Yeah. I'm sitting on the toilet. Out view. McDonald's out view. There's someone. Wait, oh no.
Wala na tayong magkakaroon.
McDonald's
Nandito na eh. There's no
is
going
in
back.
danger
What is that? It's so weird.
because McDonald's
Let's go outside.
is going to destroy by all of these slides. This is me pooping but without a pipe. Ah!
Oh my God, why is it so peaceful?
McDonald's is
Joke,
big!
tayo invisible. Joke,
Helicopter,
tayo
helicopter.
invisible dito. Ano to? Pwede ito mag-teleport?
Huh?
Oh,
Wow.
how about that? Whoa, what the flip? Asan ako?
Ouch.
Balik tayo.
I'm not going into McDonald's again.
Bitcoin. Oh my God.
Guys, I'm so poor. So I have this. This is my window. Can oh, the bacon is good too. I want. Oh no, I'm poor. Hi bacon. She is named John Roku 130. What? Bakit ako English? Galing. Tagalog naman eh. Oh no, bakit lagi natutumba-tumbay? Naku po yung bacon friend ko! Yung bacon friend ko! I'm sorry.
Ano to? Line starts here.
Patak ko! Thank God I still have my chair. At alam mo ba kung bakit ako lagi nakasabit dito? Kasi nilagyan ko ng glue. Pwede nga.
At saka, bakit may tao dito? Yung ang random ng game na to, why am I playing this? What the?
Oh my God. Nakasabit titik ko. Oh no! Malala ulit ako sa tubig. Ouch! Antong sand. Ay, kala ko nababackwards ako. Pero naiisip mo.
Ba't ako may ad? Saan ang galing yung
Sakit. Uy!
Bumibili sila ng guns. Oh my God, I don't know what is this. I don't know what to do. Bakit ganito? Ha? Okay, so nandito naman na tayo.
Hindi, ibang
Mag-explore tayo,
bayan.
guys.
Kala ko yung poreless.
Mr. Duck's costume and for you. Oh my God, ano to? Hey, yo! Pwede tayo maging Nyan Cat, pwede tayo maging Burger, pwede tayo maging SpongeBob. What the flip? Oh my God. Bakit nanonood ka pa? Ano kung ina-expect mo dito sa game? Guys, namamalat na ako. Malat na yung boss ko. Pasensya ako malat yung boses ko ngayon, mga friend. Ayun o, pipiyo ako dyan. Kaya hindi mo na ako naglaro ng horror games. Kasi ayoko sumigaw, guys. Baka mas lamang masira yung boses ko yun. Umaga, mga friend. What the? Oh my God! Is this our face? Oh. Bakit nakakatawa? Game pa rin po ako ng game. Ang peaceful. Guys, hindi ko na alam kung anong pinagagawa ko sa life. At naging Oreo pa talaga.
Bakit?
What the heck is this? Wait. You can go in.
No!
Ano meron dito?
La, tulong.
Dito? What the heck? Di ko na baril. Pala, is
I want. Wow! Guys, parang na-remind ko yung parang gantong bus Brookhaven. Itong bus. Ito. Parang ito yung abandoned luhaw. At first, kailangan natin kailangan natin ng 10 wins. So, sorry. Hello guys, McDonald's time. Kain tayo sa McDonald's habang cook. Kailangan ko talaga umupo sa upuan. Dito tayo sa beside of the window, pero parang mas ma-dangerous. Ito para di tayo ma-fling at dito tayo para di masira yung window dyan. Kung ako umupo, di ako ayan. Pag dyan ako umupo, masasira yung window at mahulog agad ako. Yan na nga yung sinasabi ko eh. Yan na nga yung sinasabi ko, nasisira yun. Oh no. McDonald's is ending.
Parang mas maganda kapag meron.
Survive tayo with McDonald's. Oh my God! Oh my God! Yung McDonald's lumipat! Oh no 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 no! Low! Yan! We have survival! Yan!
Ano to? Pitbull, go! Why do I have to buy it? Run! 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 Run!
Ay! Ay! Tuga!
Ang hirap tuloy ako kapag taos. No way.
Bakit ang tuga?
Bakit may TV
Oh,
ko?
1,000!
Is this a game?
11,844.
Ayan, nagkaroon ako ng
Wala, dami. Gusto ko ng ganyan naman. Gusto dami sa'yo. What the flip is that?
Ba't ganun yung sigaw mo, guys?
What is this? And is this a bathroom?
Yes.
Yeah, it's actually a bathroom. It has a soap but a toilet beside a girl who loves you. And sink a toilet. Oh no, I'm in the restroom. Close the door. I cannot even reach it. Toilet paper. Oh no 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 no. Ah, I'm in the toilet. What? Toilet paper is made of wood. Ah, oh no 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 no.
I stole the baby from Adolf.
Oh my God.
Ano yun?
I am sitting in the invisible. I'm surviving.
Let's go. Shrek, live.
Wow! Helicopter, helicopter.
I want to meet Shrek. Shrek, are you there? Oh my gosh. Ala ka, ang daming tao. No! Guys, pwede ba
Guys, you are driving in the real car. The real car. You are driving in a real car. Yeah, truly a real car. Forget about the. Hey, go in the car, not the house. Yes. Oh no, my car is on top on the. Not, and the swimming pool made of. You know, that can pop easily. Cannot pop because this car. Oh. Wow, where's my pool? Oh no, fish on our cards. My life, bakit ako nag-i-English? Dapat tatagalog ako na do speak. Oh my gosh. Ah, oh no 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 no. Naku po. Pangako na nanal.
Black is this. One.